What is up, top floor traders? It is February 3rd, 2026. Today's trade, as outlined in Discord, I'll show Discord real quick. First things first, the original entry that we did miss, I didn't trust it enough, so I waited for this suspension block. As you could see, called 905, the entry. Want to see how price reacts? 5-minute wick. Then we add to the position, and then suspect minor bullish end dog or close of end dog pre-open. And then here was the price of previous day settlement price. And then here was partial one, previous day settlement price. See, 25,876. The partial, 25,876. Okay, onwards, we'll see what 10 a.m. brings. And to bring us to the charts where we're at right now, 8:59:10 macro. We had previous day fair value gaps, 5-minute fair value gap, 10:05 a.m. It's marked. You could go back, look at it. Right ahead, 9:50, 10:10. Entry model, creating inversion of this 5-minute entry model presents within macro, and then target first present fair value gap of the previous day. That's it. Now, granted, you could come to your 4-hour chart and realize we do have lower draws. So here's your 4-hour, there's this 1 hour. You could see. You want to see how we get to there? Let me mark it for you. Right here. So we'll see. And then, of course, mark down here. Just rough ideologies for where price may want to go. See, the most important part about trading is securing your partial and removing risk. Once you secure a partial and remove risk, nothing else truly matters. So as you could see, this trade, does it really matter? Is this really needed? Do you need to capture this? Truly tell me. I mean, everybody wants to, but everybody has to start somewhere. So that's why we outline macros, so you could get small pieces of the pie. Because within the macro, you have targets. So you could have a smaller, minute trade with less risk, less time involved, and then you can manage accordingly. And in addition, watch and track how price acts and reacts and behaves. Stick with it. If this is all you secure, this is all you secure. Look, that's more than so many people make in a day, bro. One contract, okay? So many people are clocking 8 hours, 12-hour shifts, bro. One contract. This shit works. This shit is real. Okay, I promise you. And then you have your supporting factors to continue with price moving lower. Okay, you have a volume inversion right there. Okay, you have another volume inversion. That's a suspension block. You extend that through space, time and price. Extend it out, and then you could see price is wanting to move somewhere. Where? Why? For what reason? 950, 1010 macro is a driver. We had news at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. news. So we knew price wanted to go somewhere. Where'd price want to go? Previous day, first present fair value gap. We never filled it. I'll show you. This is it right there. Look at it. See? It's just sitting there. And then look at how we open. Resting liquidity. Look what market did. That was today's trade. 850, 910 macro. Continuation. Bias short. Selling to previous day lows. Accumulating. And working our way lower. But yeah. Later, fam.